Hi, my name is Debbie Pilon, and I'm a home advisor with the Olson Company at our new community in Buena Park, Jasmine Walk. Let me give you some information about our homes. Here at Jasmine Walk, we have 3-story townhomes from 1,200 to 1,700 square feet and offer up to 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Each floor plan includes a deck for personal outdoor space and a 2-car side-by-side or tandem garage. At Jasmine Walk, you'll enjoy open floor plans designed with clean, contemporary style, generous kitchens, smart home technology, and energy efficiency features you'll love. Visit JasmineWalkHomes.com to explore the floor plans, see pricing and availability, and schedule a personal tour of the models. We look forward to seeing you soon.